Hey y'all, Mama Snark here. Here's a big King Triton. It's Disney Day 1. It is currently 11:30. I have spent the entire morning getting everything unpacked and organizing because it was too late to do so yesterday. We checked in too late and immediately had to go to Universal.
Yeah,
so
he twists his hair.
I spent the morning getting the hotel room up and organized and ready to go. Hubby just took the children to the playground. As you can see, we're staying at Art of Animation, and the kids love that stinking Nemo playground in the middle by the big blue pool. Hubby already texted me F this playground because it is quite bonkers. And there are so many entrance and exits to that playground. It's not ideal for parents like us that like to be on top of our kids in public because I don't trust people. But we are headed to Animal Kingdom. Our friends Ben and Lauren and their two kids, Tucker and Dakota, are already there. So, if you are new here, I'm Mama Snark. I have two little ones. Man Cub is 7 and my daughter Weezers is 5. And then hubby is also along for the ride. And we are here with our friends Ben and Lauren, and they have 2 kids. Tucker is 4, Dakota is 2. So we're gonna head to Animal Kingdom to meet them now. Here's the monstrosity playground. Looks like hubby's ready to go. I see him walking away with the kids, but do you see how many entrance and exits there are to this stinking playground? There's like 18 entrance and exits. That's him calling me. Babe! He's literally trying to call me. Turn around. Turn around and look. There they are. All right, bus. I just have to show this beauty that I made for Animal Kingdom. You already stressed out and done? Yeah. Hate this playground. All right. Headed to the bus for Animal Kingdom. Change of plans! Because that's what always happens at Disney. You have got to be flexible. I've got my hair still in French braids from last night. I just put them in like buns instead of down. If you didn't see, we went to the Orlando Informer meetup last night. I'll link that dog vlog down below for you. But the bus pulled away like literally as we were walking up to it. So it's gonna be another 20 minutes before another bus comes. So we decided, since we drove this trip, we're just gonna go get in the car and drive over there because Art of Animation is in the Animal Kingdom like area. Literally a 6-minute drive. And that way we don't have to deal with the end of the night bus crowds with the double bob stroller, trying to fold that up and stand with children. So we're gonna make our lives easier and we're just gonna drive. So we're headed all the way back around the hotel to Building 9 of Little Mermaid to our van. And we're gonna drive there. All right, so that was super fast. It literally took we exited our hotel, got on one highway and went straight for like 4 minutes, and here we are. So if you're staying at Art of Animation,
your destination is on the right.
You have arrived. And you have a car. I highly recommend driving. Headed to Animal Kingdom. I got my stroller pusher, my bag carrier.
This is the tank at this point.
Yeah, he said this is the Bob stroller's the tank. It's nice when I come with hubby and kids in the stroller because then I don't have to carry anything but my phone in my pocket. Oh, babe, Jesus. Are they gonna do their fingerprints? All right, come see. All right, we're gonna do you first. All right, get your finger. We have not.
If you want, you can do your finger. I would do.
Okay.
Put your
All
hand
right.
underneath Princess.
Hey, hold on, Weez. She's good with me.
If she has any issues.
Okay, thank you. All right.
You want to do the same for
Yep.
Now, go ahead and put your hand underneath. You're gonna help them out.
That'll work.
Boom, boom, boom.
Perfect.
You got it.
Dada, you got to scan in too still. Thank you. Look at that cute little man cub.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna go meet our friends Ben and Lauren at the dig pit. Beautiful. So we are here just at, oh, that's my walking time, just after noon. So it is the busy time. So we're gonna go meet our friends Ben and Lauren at the dig pit and let the kids dig for a while. I'm gonna book Everest with Man Cub's DAS Pass. So the kids are gonna play while we wait for that.
By the time they come back, they'll be almost done.
Yep, by the time we come back, Dino Land will be no more. It's straight through here. Bless this man, y'all, for being the stroller pusher of this double wide tank, as he calls it. All right, headed into the Boneyard, going to meet our friends. You ready, Bubba?
There we gotta go through
Yep,
here.
go through there.
Remember, we gotta cross the bridge to find it.
How cute she looks. So I'm not a fan of this playground. The kids love it, but there are so many, again, like the Nemo playground, there's so many entrance and exits. So go that way, to the left. You got him? There's so many entrance and exits to all of these slides and climbing things that I can't keep track of them, and that stresses me out. Because, no, we're going to meet our friends. Like, look at this thing.
We're going up there.
Yep, we're gonna go up here, up and around on this thing, and go meet our friends. We're gonna go across this thing. We're gonna go in the Dino Booty Wees. We're going in the Dino Booty Bus. It's all right, so this is the dig pit. Let's see if we can spot our friends in here. This way, Wees. Go down here. Hold on. What's up? There, I see. Hold on, let's look. So it's not sand, it's pea pebbles. But if you have a sensory kid like my little man cub, you have to keep your shoes on. They won't let you go barefoot, and that drives them nuts. So don't wear sandals to this. There's my little Bubba. Right over there. There's Ben and Tucker. I don't see Lauren and Dakota yet. Oh, look at her. Little Dakota.
Well, my card hasn't been charged yet.
They made it to the vlog. They've been here since what, like 9?
Yeah, about 9 o'clock.
Happens.
So that's Dakota,
Like one of the
and that's Tucker. Hey, Dakota. Hi. Oh, she's giving you a bucket, Tucker. That's sweet. Look at those siblings being sweet together. Mine, on the other hand. There's my little man cub, and there's Wheeze. I was telling her as a parent, I like this area because you can watch your kids.
Yeah.
That thing, when I called her, I was like, where are y'all? Because we're meeting them here. She said, Ben lost Tucker. He's up in the slide somewhere.
Have a child.
I was like, we promptly walked past that thing and came straight here. How cute they are.
to be holding. That's fine. I can get this. I think she likes it, especially hitting on the flapping. Actually, I think that is better. Here, hold in front. Yeah. Oh, bump, bump. Got us.
I thought it started raining.
Waterfall. Waterfall gotcha.
Yeah, I thought it started raining. I was like, what is happening? Was that fun? She used 30 bucks of her gift card and got this adorable stuffy. So with my annual pass discount, this was $30. So she's got $70 left. He still has his full gift card that Lala and Toot Toot gave him for Christmas, so they can kind of peruse around. I am at the Thirsty River Bar right outside of Everest. I'm gonna get a drink, and then we're gonna head to Pandora to meet Ben and Lauren, and the guys are gonna get some beers there, and Lauren beers there. I don't like beer, so I'm getting a drink here, and we're gonna get some food because we're all hungry. And then I've got his DAS booked for Avatar Flight of Passages after that. But we're just vibing. Hubby mentioned, and I agree, there's no way, like, when I come here with Lauren, we 100% buy multipass. There's no way I'm waiting in that line. Like, the Everest line wraps around outside. Like there's just no shot. But my son here, where is he? He has the DAS pass, so we're using that on this trip. I did buy multi-pass for Magic Kingdom because there's just so much to do there. But nice and cool. It's overcast. So just vibing, having a good day. It's 1:30 now, so we've been in the park for a little over an hour now and just hanging out. I got the Yeti sunrise. It was Jack Daniels and then I think like strawberry and lychee lemonade. And she was very heavy-handed with that pour. Jesus. Hubby got another beer and I mobile ordered from Satu'li Canteen for some food.
Two of them up there, 2 different colors. You see both?
We're looking at the monkeys. You see them? You can't really see their faces.
Looks like they're just hanging out, maybe eating a little bit of lunch.
A brown one and a black one. She loves that Yeti. It's very cute. I'm not mad about her picking that, even though she's got 50 stuffies on her bed already. All right, so now we're gonna head over to the Pandora area to meet up with Ben and Lauren. Tui Canteen, the tofu bowl with the rice and beans is like my absolute favorite, and I got a side of the creamy herb dressing, and then I got the blueberry cheesecake mousse to try for dessert.
Marine, like,
Hey, eat your sandwich. Kids are eating pack snacks. This is we're at the side of Satu'li Canteen. Y'all, this is a cluster. This place is nuts. So it's so busy, they're not letting people inside without a mobile order. Like they're asking you to see the mobile order thing on your phone, or they won't let you in right now.
They looked at me.
All right, he's eating a PB&J. She ate like 2 bites of hers and Dada ate the rest. But she's got, what do you got? Veggies and hummus, huh? That's good stuff. This never fails to impress me. He's got 2 little monkeys he's dealing with. Ben and Lauren are going to hang out at Satu'li Canteen. The baby's sleeping, so they're going to watch our stroller for us while we go.
Look at this thing.
Right, flight of passage. Look at that.
Look up, bud.
Oh, it's right here. Sorry. Turn around. Correct. I was just telling him to not touch his handrails because people pick their boogers and touch them. Which is not entirely inaccurate because he said those people are disgusting. Weird plant life. Universal was fun, but I stand by. Nobody does theming and immersion the way that Disney does. Like, look how stinking cool that is. The Avatar things, I don't know.
We need to find a compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit.
Move around. Oh, gotta move around.
Yes, got it. Now, let's find you your avatar matches.
I haven't matched yet. Oop, I got a match. Ooh, at least I look like a girl this time.
All right.
You gotta go find your number. Go find your number.
Experience, remain seated, lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, durante toda esta experiencia deberán permanecer
All right,
sentados.
Bubba, you're number 3.
Inclinarse hacia adelante, agarrando
Help
las
her
barras
get
y
on.
supervisen a sus niños.
All right, you're gonna go. All right, hey, you're sit. Hold on, put your glasses on. Okay, you're gonna hold on to here.
Great, your restraints are going to be coming up right now.
Restraints activated.
Wow.
You're gonna be ready to fly.
Yeah.
You ready? Is it tickling your belly? Yeah. Big fatty fat.
Link driver. It's gonna drop us. It's gonna drop us. It might actually. Oh, okay.
Whoa, look up. Whoa. My goodness. This is the coolest part to me. You can feel the things breathing underneath you. Is that cool, Wheeze? I'm just feeling breathing. Super cool. Whoa. Hey. Fiasco on Avatar. Man cub lost his magic band. As he was getting off, it like popped off and fell all the way down the seats. They couldn't find it. They sent someone down to look. So I filled out a lost and found report. Didn't, I don't know if they'll find it, but went to guest services, got him a card to use in the meantime, and the amazing cast member there was so patient with him because he is upset. She was very patient with him. I got her name to do a cast compliment. She gave him a certificate so he can get any magic band he wants with it. And we're going to Epcot tomorrow. He had a Figment one. So hopefully he finds another Figment. These. Those two are apparently best buddies. We're gonna go ride Dinosaur. This park is packed. I had a feeling it was gonna be packed for Mardi Gras break, but Man Cub was really upset. He wanted to go back to the hotel, but I think we've appeased him enough and calmed him down enough that he's okay to do a few more things. We'll see. Woo, these kids. Alright. We're gonna go attempt Dinosaur with Tucker. Hey, maybe we could actually be related one day. Come on, Weez. And dinosaur poop. Come on. Oh, look at that rat thing on the tree. I've never seen that before. Look, it's like a rat, like possum squirrel. Oh, what in the world?
That's a T-Rex.
Oh my, a T-Rex.
Allosaurus.
Looks like a T-Rex. Y'all, these two are being super good. So believe it or not, he's actually 1 year younger than her, or like 11 months younger than her, and he's taller. And Weez is tall for her age. It's an Allosaurus.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's got the 4 fingers.
It's got what?
Tucker wants to be like right here of me. He wants me to be like right under.
Y'all are gonna protect each other. They're both, so both of them are a little bit scared of this one, but they said that they're gonna protect each other. Also, hubby was wrong. It's a Carnotaurus. Whoop. These two, I can't get over how cute they are. Follow Miss Lauren.
Only transport you to the age of the dinosaur. How?
Watch, buddy. Watch. You ready?
But the
He's
result
gonna think it's funny.
is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world that will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. Will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
All right, buddy. You ready?
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks.
I knew he'd think that was funny.
Time travelers, place all loose items in the pouch in front of you, fasten your seatbelt, and remain seated.
Now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Yeah.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just a
little
robot.
one.
Oleorama. Dinosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Hang on!
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Left, right.
That was close.
Woo!
Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Here we go.
Brace
Bye-bye.
yourself! This is it!
Woo!
They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
You did it! Yeah!
You made it!
Woo!
I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find you before security does. Thanks for everything!
All done! All done!
They took away the scary part.
Oh, they did? It wasn't scary?
That part's always scary.
Yeah, it wasn't scary this time though?
Yeah.
Please gather personal belongings from the pouch in front of you and remain seated until the rover comes to
Left for me, please. You guys can fit your whole party. Also, if you guys have any loose articles, backpacks, jackets, etc., if you want to go ahead and secure them for me. Coming up shortly, our work's going to be sliding our doors closed, so we need to make sure we watch all hands, arms, feet, and legs. Awesome. Thank you, friends.
For Molly, I asked for the back row.
Oh, there's all the animals.
Oh, there's a rhino.
So the black rhino, they're very, very blind. Their strongest sense is their sense of hearing and their sense of smell.
Look, there's one right there.
They're actually able to
Look right
pick
there,
their
buddy.
legs up,
Right
galloping
there.
like a horse, running up to 30 miles an hour. So we have two different animals over here. The tan one is
this
a
one's
greater
in the red. Look in the
kudu,
red.
and the copper-colored one is a bongo. We have a bongo gonna be really close to us over here. Hi. Bongo are nicknamed the ghosts of the forest. If you see, their horns are tipped backwards, so they're able to run very swiftly and quietly through the forest. We're gonna head through here.
Right there.
A
Look
group of
behind us.
hippos is called a float, so I'm hoping we can spot a float of hippos. They can weigh almost a ton. We can basically
look at
their
'em.
life in the water. They'll fold their ears.
That's a bloat.
They will swim and walk along the floor of the water. Exactly right. They also, so because most of their life is spent in the water, when they're out of water,
You saw it resting its head on the other
so
one.
their body produces an oily-like
know it
substance. On the left-hand side, friends, after my friend goes across this bridge, it will be our turn. These are Nile crocodiles. Over here. If everyone wants to take a big scoot to the left so their friends can see.
Look at the crocodile.
And their name from the Nile River here in Africa.
She has to say stupid.
They can be up to 16 feet long.
Whoa.
As long as a giraffe is tall. We're gonna head into a
Whoa.
area.
That was a big bump, buddy.
It's called the savannah. Have any of you heard of a savannah of hieroglyphics?
Look right there.
Their horns look really heavy, but they're actually not. They have a hollow honeycomb-like structure to them, which is pretty cool. Both male and female do have horns. You can tell they're Maasai because of the jagged puzzle piece-like print on their backs and bodies. For my adult friends, if you want to see for yourselves or show your kiddos, from your elbow to the tip of your middle finger is the length of a Maasai giraffe's tongue.
Look at the
18 to 20
giraffe.
inches. Wow. So this is definitely a tower
Whoa.
giraffe, which
My
is called,
goodness.
Which is what a group is called.
Whoa. Look at him.
So cool. So they actually will give birth standing up. Their babies will drop 6 feet when they're born. They're the animal with the highest blood pressure in the world. Because the heart has to work extra hard to pump the blood from the heart to the top of the head. Close. These are elands. That's a male eland. They are 6 feet tall at the shoulder, so standing next to those animals, you would not be too big. That's a female eland. They can jump 8 feet straight up.
Oh, you see it, buddy?
There are. It looks like a male and a female. So sorry. Around this way. So the African elephant, a misconception that cartoons have kind of brought in is that
Was
they'll
that
use
so
their
cool,
trunk
buddy?
like a straw. That's actually not the key. On the right-hand side over here, friends, if you look at this red clay, it looks like it's been dug out with tusks. So that was the elephants doing. What happens is when the vegetation they eat doesn't give them enough vitamins and minerals, they will look to red clay in compensation. That's another one of those beautiful African elephants. They're very social birds. They live in the groups up to the tens of thousands.
You see him, Weeze?
A group of flamingos called a flamboyant. So this is a flamboyance of flamingo. Something else that's cool about greater flamingo is if you look at their legs, that joint is not actually their knee, that's their ankle. Their knee is above underneath their feathers. Does anyone know what they eat? Yes, shrimp and krill. That's what starts with that beautiful pink color. If you also take a look at that island, it's a little weirdly shaped.
It's a Mickey.
But I didn't say anything. I'm jealous. I want these cats to say hi so bad. There's 2 females and a male. It looks like. What the plant are called?
Stop it.
A bride. Gold stars all around. They are definitely posing for us. Got 2 females and a male. Their vision is like ours in the daytime, but it gets 6 times better at night with that night vision. Their roar can be heard up to 5 miles away.
Oh my goodness.
That male is fairly young. That's a fairly young male. You can tell because his mane's quite small. Their mane comes from their testosterone. So we'll curve down and around this way.
They're just snuggling. Just snuggling. My goodness. Just left been in Lauren and Tucker, Dakota. We got some really cute pictures in front of the Tree of Life together. Hopefully they're cute. I haven't seen them yet. I'll insert here. And we're heading back to get Man Cub some popcorn. The only cart that they really have at Animal Kingdom that pops the popcorn is like across from Tusker House. The rest of the like snack carts usually have the boxes of popcorn, but I haven't seen them out all day. So I don't know if they just ran out early and didn't refill them, or if they're not doing that anymore. But Man Cub has been begging for some popcorn. So that's where we're going. I'm getting my baby some popcorn. Popcorn, and you put it in the cup so that they don't bite. This site never ceases to amaze me. Man, look at it with the sun hitting it. Look at that shot right there. Alright, we got Flame Tree Barbecue for dinner. Hubby and I are splitting the pulled pork mac and cheese. He went and got this concoction of sky blue raspberry. He got a Jack and Coke. Kids are eating pretzels and Nutella dip. They just had a pouch. Is that good, buddy? My Bubba loves chocolate, huh? Yeah. Okay, good.
Pretty good.
They did sanitize their hands. I made sure of it. All right, let's see what this is all about.
I like the crunchy on the top. That's good.
Yeah, is it like fried onions? Like on the green beans?
I told you when I was coming in here, I smelled onion rings. I've been on my
All right, let's see. I didn't get any pulled pork though. All right. Ooh. Get the noodle back. Drop my noodles. It's a good mix of contrasting flavors. All right, big step. Watch your step. Watch your step. Sit. Good job. Look at the froggies. What do you think about those, bud? Yeah? Yeah, it is weird, huh? Are those alien jellyfish?
Yeah. Avatar.
Yeah. Alien jellyfish. My goodness. What are those things? I don't know either. Whoa. Whoa. I know, they're all lit up, huh? Alright guys, that is it for Disney day 1. Kids are in the room getting baths right now. I'm walking back from, I had to go meet Lauren and give her a t-shirt that I made for her that we're both wearing to Epcot tomorrow. So make sure you give this video a like and a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, follow along. Epcot coming at you tomorrow with all of us. So make sure you're watching and following along. Bye guys.